Yeah, here we have a 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. And we have it plugged in so it's all powered up. It's 115 volt. Show you that the motor does operate on it. We also tested the coolant pump. The coolant pump does operate on it also. So this is missing a pulley for the gearbox. However, the gearbox does operate. As you can see, the blade does turn when you turn the pulley shaft. Okay, does include the belt. There's a few little components that are missing or broken on here. We're going to go over that right now. We're missing a motor fan shroud. It's usually a plastic piece right there. The junction box is a little cracked. Okay. Some of the components for the tightening the motor down are missing and damaged. So this motor's just kind of like hanging on there right now. Okay, we got the missing pulley, of course. The belt tensioner wheel, plastic. This broke off during shipping. Alright. It's missing its casters and axles. It's got a few little dents on the drip pan. There's a little sump screen that's missing. A couple bolts missing. Well, this is supposed to be a plastic knob like this one. That one's broken. This one's missing. It's kind of minor stuff on here. It's got some paint scratches, paint scuffs. Other than that, it's in really good condition. It's unused. It has a hydraulic down feed, and it does operate, as you can see. As it goes down, it shuts the machine off. This little knob here hits that switch. We'll just try it again here. I want to turn the unit on after we remove the belt. Whoop. So. Goes down and turns the machine off. In any case, it's going to need a little bit of work, a little TLC, some parts, and you can get this thing going, bring it back to life. Be a great little bandsaw. And we thank you for looking at our product.